Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you ever wondered how can you find trending sounds on Instagram, you came to the right video. In this video guys, I'll show you multiple ways and method on how can you exactly find trending sounds on Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Of course, we're going to be using the Instagram app for this process, so let's get something out of the way first. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram right here. Make sure you have the Instagram app updated for everything to work properly in this process. Finally, quit Instagram or quit the store and open Instagram right here. And from the Instagram app itself, make sure you are logged into your Instagram account, and then you can make your way to the Reels section by tapping the Reels icon in the bottom right here. And then find a trending reel that is doing good in terms of views and likes, and at the bottom left of it you should find a trending sound right there. You can tap on it and you can go ahead and tap on use audio if you want to use it in your own reels. As you can see, you can scroll through and find trending reels, and you can always find the sound at the bottom left of that song, or of that reel I mean. Now that's for the first method. For the second method, you can tap on the search icon right here very simply, and then search in the top for something like trending, and at the top go ahead and tap on audio. It will take you to the audio and sounds category, and you should find lots of trending sounds on Instagram right here, very organized and very clear right there guys. Now for the third method, you can go ahead and go back to the search and simply search for a trending account like TikTok's account. Go to the Reels section, find some reels here, and they will be again using trending sounds. You can tap on the sound in the bottom left corner, and again you can use it in your own reels right here. And that is basically how can you find trending sounds on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.